Construction on the $842 million Superway is really beginning to gain momentum. South Australia's biggest investment in a road project to date is part of the 78-kilometre north-south corridor upgrade, which, when completed, will deliver non-stop travel on South Road from Gawler to Old Noarlunga.
We've now reached very much of a key milestone on the project. We've been going for 500 days. Design is now well and truly completed, and the public can start to see the realisation of Adelaide's first elevated roadway through the work that's been undertaken to date and the sequence of activities that are now starting to build up. The Wingfield Regency Park area is an industrial hub, and 25% of the state's transport activities and transport logistics happens in this precinct. And one of the key aspects of the project has been keeping access to the businesses in place and ensuring that traffic is being maintained and able to traverse through the site in a safe manner. Those have been key challenges for the project team of Urban Superway in the department, and I think we've done an outstanding case in managing those aspects and those aspirations, in particular with the businesses where we've done a lot of case management one-on-one, where we've tried to take on board their requirements and their needs whilst undertaking such a challenging project. And we're now looking forward to a very much an intense period of construction with the launching truss and segment lifters in position, where we're heading towards traffic running on the southbound carriageway by this time next year, with completion on target for December 2013.
This is a super bit of infrastructure, $812 million, the biggest single ever road project here in South Australia, jointly funded by the federal government and the state government. An important piece of nation building infrastructure which today reaches the halfway point. This is a great project creating jobs, some 2,750 jobs directly and indirectly created as a result of this project. And once again, South Australia is leading the country in Indigenous trainees, just like occurred with the Northern Expressway, leading the way for the nation.
What we're seeing in South Australia is as a set of infrastructure being built to address a wide range of issues. This one, the most expensive road, is industrial heartland, connects with our new bridges over the Port River with the Northern Expressway. And what it does is increase the productive, the economic capacity of the state. It makes it more efficient to move the stuff we make, to get it to port, and we're an exporting state, and it's very, very important. We're at a very key part of this project with a huge extension over Grand Junction Road here behind us. It's the first time we've seen this sort of technology and infrastructure in South Australia. It's a leading infrastructure, in fact, in Australia, and some really cutting-edge stuff. Nothing could be a better illustration of where we are going as a state than seeing roads of this scale adding to our productive capacity. They will underpin what we believe is, despite difficult times, is an extraordinarily good economic future for South Australia.
This is a very important time in the project for Urban Superway. A lot of hard work has been put in by the project team over the past 6 months, constructing what are very complex structures, the piers. We're now in a position to commence the segment erection over Grand Junction Road and to commence the use of the launching girder to erect further segments. In the precast yard, we've now cast in excess of 600 segments, and we are now reaching our target of 35 segments a week, which is what we need to continue the erection operation on the main line. At the northern end of the project, works have commenced on the northern interchange structure, and at the southern end of the project, the earthworks are well advanced and are ready to start the asphalt operations. Overall, we're on target to have traffic up on the southbound carriageway by this time next year.
For more information, call 1300 638 789 or visit the project website